Dear children, good morning to you all. Today I am going to take 4th standard science first lesson, our body. Already we learned in previous class some internal organs such as lungs, heart and stomach. Now we are going to learn remaining internal organs. Okay, let us see here. Are you ready to play? Shall we play one game? Okay, first all of you stand. Stand and jump in your place. Very good. Jump. Jump fast. Jump. 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 Very good. Then you run in the classroom. Run. How do you run? Run fast. Very good. Run, run, run. Run fast. Good. Now you relax. Relax. Then all take your hand and keep on your chest. Okay. Good. Now how do you feel? Are you hear any sound or any vibration? Yes, good. Do you know which one makes that vibration and sound? Which one? Good, heart. Which one makes that? Heart. Very good. Now you go and drink more water, then sit your place. Okay, let us see the heart. Heart. Where is the heart? Inside of our body or outside of our body? Inside of our body. Good. Heart is inside of our body. Good. Are you agree? Heart is an internal organ? Very good. Let us see about the heart. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? This is a heart. It is made up of muscles. It is made up of muscles. It is very soft. Okay, it pumps blood to all parts of our body. This is a main organ for the circulatory system because it pumps blood through all parts of the body. So it is the circulatory system. The heart beats about 72 times per minute. How many times? 72 times. Very good. Where is the heart located? Do you know? The heart located between the lungs. Do you know what is this? This is your lungs. Between the lungs and almost in the center of the chest. This is your heart. Are you clear? Where is the heart located? It is lies between the lungs, almost in the center of the chest. Okay, very good. You see, what is this picture? This is also heart. The heart has 4 chambers, Kuti. 4 chambers. What are they? 2 upper chamber and 2 lower chamber. 2 upper chamber and 2 lower chamber. What are the 2 upper chambers and what are the 2 lower chambers? The 2 upper chambers are right atrium and left atrium. What are they? Like right atrium and left atrium. Then 2 lower chambers. What are the 2 lower chambers? Right ventricle and left ventricle. What are they? Right ventricle and left ventricle. Now are you clear? There are 4 chambers in heart. Let us see the function. What is the function? The right atrium receives. What? Receives oxygen poor blood. Otherwise you want to say deoxygenated blood. Oxygen poor blood or deoxygenated blood. The right atrium receives oxygen poor blood from the body. Good. It pumps it to the right ventricle. Right atrium receives poor oxygen blood that sent into the right ventricle. The right ventricle sent to the lungs. Why? What is the use? That there is the blood loaded with oxygen. Loaded with oxygen. So the right ventricle sent it to the lungs. Okay. Here half of the part get oxygen poor blood. Right atrium, then right ventricle gets oxygen poor blood. Okay. Now the right ventricle sent to the blood to the lungs. The lungs, here they are loaded with oxygen. Next, the left atrium receives oxygen rich blood, otherwise you want to say oxygenated blood. Oxygen rich blood and oxygenated blood receives from the lungs. Which one receives? Left atrium. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs. Then left atrium pumps oxygenated blood to the left ventricle. Here one main thing, the left ventricle is the biggest and strongest chamber in the heart. It is the biggest and strongest chamber. Which one? Left ventricle. Here have more rich oxygenated blood. So this oxygenated blood sent through all parts of our body. So heart pumps the blood. It is a pumping organ. It is a main circulatory system of our body. Okay. So what is the use of pumps blood? The pumps blood carries oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body. Okay. Are you understand about the heart? Okay. Where is the heart located? Very good. Between the lungs. Okay. How many chambers in the heart? 4 chambers. What are they? Right atrium, left atrium. Right ventricle, left ventricle. Totally how many chambers? 4 chambers. Okay. You know what is this shape? This is the conical shape. Very good. So heart is a conical shape. Okay, it is a muscular organ. It looks like very soft. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Okay, are you understand about heart? Okay, let us move the next one. Let us see the next internal organ, kidney. Okay, children, in the beginning of the class you drink more water, right? Good. Now how you feel? Now end of the class, how do you feel? I think you want to go to restroom to pass the urine. Okay, which one makes urine in our body? Very good, kidney. Which one makes urine in our body? Kidney. Let us see the kidney. Here we have 2 kidneys, 1 and 2. We have 2 kidneys. They are bean-shaped organ. They are bean-shaped organ. We have 2 kidneys, one on each side of your spine. One on each side of your spine. Okay, so what is the use of kidney? The kidney purify blood, then remove extra water, then toxins and make us urine. Very good. How? The kidney filter blood and purify blood to remove the extra water and the toxins through the ureter. Through the ureter and sent into the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder, sent into the urinary bladder. Here stores the urine. When you feel urgent, at the time the bag is full. Okay. Now you understand about kidney? Good. Okay. A healthy kidney purify a half cup of blood for every minute. Here, so what is this picture? This is also human being. Do you know? Very good. This is a rib cage. Below the rib cage, then here up the spine. Here below the rib cage we have 2 kidneys. One side, then another side. We have 2 kidneys. Below the rib cage you have 2 kidneys, one on each side of your spine. Okay. Now you understand about the kidney? Good. Next, we want to see the bones and muscles. What is that? Bones and muscles. So what is mean a bone? What is mean by muscles? If you have more confusion, right? Good. How you understand which one is the bones and which one is the muscle? Let us see the bones and the muscles. Now you have very confusion. Which one is the bone? Which one is the muscle? Do you know? No. Okay. So which one is your bone? First, you want to press your upper arm, which feels hard to touch. which feels hard to touch, that is a bone. If you press your upper arm, which feels soft to touch, that is a muscle. Now you understand which one is the bone, which one is the muscle? I think still you have confusion. Let us say another one example. Are you like to eat meat? Good. All very good. Which one we can chew easily? Muscles or bone? Yes, muscles. Muscles you can chew easily. We cannot chew the bones. That is very hard. So muscles are very soft. Bones are very hard. Now you understand which one is your muscle and which one is your bone? Okay. Let us see the explain. Here bones. Bones is our skeletal system of our body. It gives shape. Bone gives shape to our body. Okay. Here there are 4 types of bones in our body. One is the flat bone, then long bone, then short bone and irregular bone. So what is the flat bone, short bone, long bone and irregular bone? Here flat bone, then skull bone and the ribs. They are the flat bone. Next, what is the short bone? Here wrist. Here wrist and ankle. Here is the short bone. Here tibia, fibula, femur. These are the long bone. Then irregular bone. Vertebra is the irregular bone. So bone gives shape to our body. It allows do some work like jump, run, walk, sit. These only allow to do the work. Very good. Here babies are born with 300 bones, but adult has only 206 bones. How it possible? Born with 300 bones, but adult have only 206 bones. How it possible? Means when we are grown up, some bones are joined together, so reduced the counting. So 302, 206. Okay, let us see the muscles. In our body has more muscles, more than 600. There are most of the muscles in our body, more than 600 muscles. It helps us to move different types of our body like jumping, running, then do some work, then activity. It helps us to move. Which one helps us to move? Muscles. Muscle help us to move different types of our body. Okay. If you need healthy muscles, you want to do exercise regularly, then stay active. Okay. If you need healthy bones, you want to eat high calcium food items like egg, cheese, milk, these and all. Okay. Then while smiling in your face, 17 muscles are functioning. While frowning, 43 muscles are functioning in our face. Okay. Let us see the detailed example of heart. Let us explain about heart. Already I told heart is a muscular organ. Heart is a muscular organ. Okay. Then next, it pumps blood to all parts of the body. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. So it is called what? Circulatory system. Good. Circulatory system. Very good. So how many times heart beat per minute? 72 times. Okay. How many chambers are there in heart? There are 4 chambers. 4 chambers. What are they? Right and left atrium. Next, right and left ventricle. Okay, say heart is a muscular organ. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. It is a circulatory system. It beats 72 times per minute. It has 4 chambers, right and left atrium, right and left ventricle. Where it is located? between the lungs. Between the lungs. Very good. The pump's blood carries oxygen and nutrients. The pump's blood carries oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body. Okay, let us see the kidney. We have, do you know kidneys? Yes, already we learned kidney. How many kidneys we have? 2 kidneys. So we have 2 kidneys. Where it's located? Below the rib cage, one on each side of your spine. Below the rib cage. One on each side of your spine. Okay. A healthy kidney filter half cup of blood. Half cup of blood for every minute. Okay. If you it removes extra water and toxins, then make us urine. So it is the main organ of excretory system. Is the main organ for the excretory system. So you have 2 kidneys. They are bean-shaped organ. Where it's located? Below the rib cage, one on each side of your spine. A healthy kidney purify the blood. Half cup of blood for every minute. Heart is pumping blood, but kidney is purified blood. Purified blood. Okay. Extra water and toxins. It removes extra water and toxins and make us urine. So it is called the main organ for excretory system. So it's purified blood. Not only that, it controls the blood pressure and the human body pH level also. What is the human body blood pH level means? 7.3 pH level. 7.3 to 7.4. This is the pH level of human blood. Let us see about bones and muscles. Bones and muscles. Do you know understand which one is a bone, then which one is a muscle? Okay. Let us see first bones only. Bones give shape to our body. Give shape to our body. Okay, it frame our body, then give shape our body, it allow do some work. Okay, babies are born with how many bones do you know? Yes, babies are born with 300 bones. But adult has how many bones? Adult only 206 bones. When we grown up, they are reduced, some bones are joined together, so reduced the number. Babies are born with 300 bones, but adult has only 206 bones. Okay, here our bones are divided into 4 types. What are they? First one, short bone. Next one what? Yes, long bone. Okay. Third one, flat bone. What is that? Flat bone. And fourth one, irregular bone. Irregular bone. So what is a short bone, long bone, flat bone and irregular bone? We have wrist and ankle. Here some bones are present. It is a short bone. Where is wrist and ankle? It's a short bone. See which one is a long bone? Here you see here tibia, fibula, femur. These are the long bones. Fibula, then tibia, then femur. Okay, these are the long bones. So which one is the flat bone? Have rib bone, then skull. These are the flat bone. Rib and skull bone. Do you know how many bones are in ribs? There are 12 pairs of bones. Totally 24 bones in the rib cage. How many? 12 pairs. And here you see 12 pairs. Each pair has 2 bones, no? So 24 bones. Where? In the rib cage. Okay, 12 pairs of bones, totally 24 bones in the rib cage. Okay, it helps us to move and do some work. Okay, let us see the muscles. See the muscles. Okay, muscles are the soft part. Already we know. I say some example. Okay, muscles are the soft part. Soft part. How many muscles? More than 600. Good. How many muscles? More than 600 muscles are in your body. Okay. Muscles and bones joined by which one? Tendons. Muscles and bones joined by tendons. This is very thin layer. Muscles and bones join and to do the work. So tendon help us do that. Muscle and joints. Bone joined by tendons. Which one? Muscles and bones. Okay. While smiling. Do you know smile? How to smile? Yes. While smiling. How many muscles are functioning in your face? Like 17 muscles. When smiling. While smiling, 17 muscles are functioning in your face. While frowning, 43 muscles are functioning. What is mean by frowning? What is mean by frowning? Like a face reaction, like very anger, then tension, then show your face like that. You want to do some reaction in your face, no? At that time, 43 muscles are functioning. So, save, smile and save energy. So that they are say, they always want to smile. Smile is very good for health. Mama told, no? Yes. So, smile and save energy. Okay. Here, bones and muscles join and to do the work. Without bones, muscles only cannot do any work. Without muscles, bones only cannot do the any work. So they want to join and to do the work. Here the tendon is the main important role to join that. Bones and muscles joined by the tendons. Okay, let us recall. Shall I ask question to you? Very good. So which is your pumping organ? Good. Heart is our pumping organ. Okay. Which is a bean-shaped organ? Good. Kidney is the bean-shaped organ. Which one joined by tendons? Already I told. Which one joined by tendons? Yes. Bones and muscles joined by tendons. Okay. How many chambers are there in your heart? Do you know your heart? Yes. How many chambers? 4 chambers. How many? 4 chambers. Right arm, left atrium, right arm, left ventricle. Okay. Where is the heart located? Between the lungs, almost in the center of the chest. Okay. Where is the kidney located? Do you know? Yes. Below the rib cage, one on each side of your spine. Very good. How many muscles in our body? More than 600. The babies are born with how many bones? Yes, 306 bones. Adult, 200 bones. Okay children, you read this lesson in your home. We will meet in next class. Thank you.